In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google AdSense. Here's the key thing to know right up front. You can't directly change the country on an existing AdSense account. So that country setting controls tax handling, payments, and legal terms. So Google locks it once the account is created. The correct path is to close the current account and open a new one with the correct country. I'll walk you through that process clearly so you know what to expect. Start by signing in to your Google AdSense account. Once you're in, head to the account section. From there, open settings, then choose account information. Inside that area, you'll find the option to close your account. Before you click it, take a moment to make sure you've saved anything you might need later, like performance reports. Also, be aware that closing an account can affect pending payouts and tax forms, and final payments only happen if you meet AdSense's payout requirements. Read the on-screen details carefully so there are no surprises. When you're ready, proceed with close account. Follow the prompts and confirm the closure. After this, you'll be creating a brand new AdSense account aligned to your new country. Next, create a new AdSense account. This is important. Use a new Google account and a different email address from the one tied to the account you just closed. The country is bound to the account profile itself, which is why you need a separate Google account for this to work properly. During the application, fill in your address and contact information exactly as it appears in your new country. Make sure the name on the account matches your legal and payment documents. Consistency here helps you avoid verification delays and ensures your future payments go through smoothly. Finally, follow the on-screen setup and verification steps for the new account. Depending on your situation, Google may review your site for policy compliance, send a PIN by mail to verify your new address, and ask you to add or verify a payment method. Work through each prompt carefully and wait for the confirmation that your account is fully active. That's the complete flow. Sign in, navigate to account settings, account information, close the old account, then create a new AdSense account using a new Google login, enter your correct address details, and finish the setup and verification. Take it step by step, be precise with your information, and you'll be set up under the right country with everything in good standing.